We're here at Nürburgring, the GP paddock, and this is obviously Nürburgring 24 week. Quite a big event, I would say, probably one of the home events of Porsche.
Today we're just preparing the car, and then later on we will have the third qualifying session, and in the evening we will go out for the Super Pole.
It is super special, I think, for most of the drivers. It can be very, very difficult, and we saw it today with very tricky condition. It's good because it gives us opportunity to try our tires, but yeah, so far so good.
Quite some mixed conditions over the course of the weekend so far. The car's feeling quite okay, and obviously preparations for our top 20 qualifying this afternoon.
So this was a nice quality. Dry conditions. First 10 cars are so close right now, so it seems that the competition is definitely there. We're looking forward for the race.
The car was quite amazing to drive, to be honest. My heart rate was 190, so it's a stressful job to do this on this track. But we came with P2, starting on the front row. We're here for a 24-hour race. We're starting up front. The weather's going to be all over the place tomorrow probably, so it's only the start of a long, long day.